Did the best just get better, or did we just waste our money? Let's jump right into it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Beats Solo 4 headphones. We got it here in slate blue, and just real quick, there's a deal going on Amazon, and I'll drop the link in the description below, but you can pick these up for about $149 now. When I purchased these, they were $199.99. So if you're interested in the Beats Solo 4 headphones, go ahead and check the link and go ahead and get you a pair. Anyways, one interesting thing I noticed about this box, and I don't know if it's with all the Beats headphones or is it just mine, but it says 50 hours of battery life here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But then on the back, it says up to 40 hours of battery life. So somebody's not telling the truth. If you guys have these headphones, drop a comment down below and let me know what is it. We'll be testing them out, but I just thought that was interesting. Anyways, guys, packaging is pretty much simple, and we'll just see what you get inside. So let's go ahead and open this up, and then we'll compare the Beats Solo 3 to them as well. So all that, as always, I appreciate you guys watching the videos and rocking with the channel. Now that was simple. Oh, right off. Hold on. Before we get to this, let's go ahead and see what the packaging has for us. So you get the Beats Solo 4 QR code. Just a little more information here. It says now pair with great music. Your Apple Music advertisement. I said advertisements. Advertisement. Beats Solo stickers. Nice. That's pretty much it. I mean, what more can you expect? All the goods is clearly in this carrying case. Toss the packaging to the side. I do like this carrying case. This is much nicer than the one you get with the Beats Solo 3, although this is a decent carrying case as well, and I like the logo on it. I do find this to be a little more durable. It feels a little more durable. Definitely, if you drop this, you're not going to have to worry about damaging your headphones. So let's go ahead and grab the headphones out of here. The color, really, really nice. But let's see what else you get. I'll just leave the headphones right here. Bag doesn't seem, or the carrying case doesn't seem like it opens that far. I wish these kind of opened all the way, unzipped all the way. Doesn't look like, it looks like you're gonna have to force your headphones in here. I know they fold, but still, that's just a little minor gripe. But anyways, you get your charging cables, and then you get your, this one looks like so this is your USB type C to USB type C cable for charging. So what else do you get? You get your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable, and looks like that's pretty much about it. Let's move all of this over and take a look at the headphones. These headphones, I'm not gonna lie to you, are pretty much identical with the exception of that USB type C charging port now instead of the micro USB charging port. They look pretty much the same. So I guess the question is, if you have the Solo 3s, do you really need the new Solo 4s? I don't know. And I guess we'll be testing it out, and I'll be coming back later in another video letting you guys know my final thoughts. But just off first impressions, I don't really see why you would upgrade. Unless you really needed that USB type C port, you might. I don't know, man. Unless the sound, I have not tried these yet, so the sound quality may just be amazing. It might be way more clear. I don't know. But just off first impression, I kind of would just stick with my Solo 3. That's just me. Anyways, guys, I just want you to see what you get in the box. All the included stuff. First impressions. They fold, kind of like the last ones. Build quality wise, I kind of feel like the Solo 4s slightly feel a little more durable. Slightly. I've been using these almost every day for the gym. So slightly, but hold on. Whoa, hold on. Nah, they messed up. Now, I don't know if this is just the Beats Solo 3's Red Edition, product red, that have the Beats up top, this little logo here and the writing. But these blue ones on the Solo 4 do not. I know that's super simple-minded, right? But the small details matter. And I think that might have just killed it for me. Guys, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I probably would just stick with my Solo 3s. But these are very nice headphones. So anybody that, if you do not have a pair of Solo 3s, definitely probably go for the Solo 4. But if you do have these Solo 3s here, don't even waste the money. Go with something like, hold on, where is it? Let me go ahead and grab it. Video coming soon, but go with something like these, right? Because there's also a deal on Amazon right now where you can get the Beats Studio Pros for $179.99, right? Now you can pick these up with the deal on Amazon, the Solo 4, for $149.99, which is a good deal. Mind you, I paid about $199 for these. Then I seen a deal for the Beats Studio Pro for $179. I'm kind of feeling like I got played here a little bit, but it's okay. All I'm saying is, if you do not have the Beats Solo 3s, you probably should just go ahead and pick up the Beats Studio Pros. That'll probably be the best deal, best bang for the buck. Anyways, guys, I hope you appreciate the video. Really nice pair of headphones. Far as design, far as value, I don't know. You guys drop a comment, let me know. Maybe I'm just rambling, but I just got to keep it real with you guys. Anyways, if you like these kind of videos, make sure you drop a comment down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Unboxing coming soon. Peace.